Let's create a short video covering all the keyframes of gameplay Ayuri. We will go to sequence settings and make sure the frame size should be 9:16. So you can see our canvas size has become vertical. Now click on FX controls and go to size. Hover your mouse cursor on size values, and as you can see, so simply drag it on right side to increase the size of the video. Now hover over the position to adjust the video. You can adjust both vertical and horizontal values. You can also use this option to zoom in and zoom out your program. You can also see a timeline in this panel, and this timeline is only to create keyframes. You can collapse and expand the view of this timeline from here. To create keyframe, we need to click on this clock option, which is also called toggle animation. You can see as I change the value, so it will automatically create a dot in the timeline.